Number 1. Encourage baby to feed more on the low-producing breast. Start feeding on the less productive side. Babies usually suckle more vigorously at the beginning of a feed, stimulating milk production. Always start nursing on the breast that produces less milk. Offer the low-producing side more often. After feeding on both sides, encourage your baby to return to the less productive breast for extra stimulation. Number 1. Use pumping to boost supply. Pump the less productive breast. After feeding your baby, pump the low-producing breast for 5 to 10 minutes. This extra stimulation can help increase milk production. Use warm compresses. Before pumping, apply a warm compress to improve milk flow and stimulate production. Number 3. Check for latch issues. Ensure proper latching. Poor latching can reduce milk removal and impact milk production. Number 4. Alternate breastfeeding positions. Different breastfeeding positions can help your baby drain the milk more efficiently from the less productive breast. For example, use the football hold or cross-cradle hold for better access to the low-producing side. Experiment with positions where gravity aids milk flow. Number 5. Adjust sleeping or nursing habits. If you tend to nurse more on one side during the night, consciously alternate to the lower producing breast. Avoid always holding your baby on the same side during feeding, as this could lead to a preference for the more productive breast. Number 6. Balance breastfeeding accessories. If you use a nursing pillow, make sure it's positioned to allow equal support for both breasts. Wear bras that don't compress one side more than the other, as uneven pressure can impact milk flow. Number 7. Massage the low-producing breast. Gentle massage while nursing or pumping can help stimulate milk ejection and improve milk flow. Focus on areas that feel firmer or less drained after feeding. Number 8. Monitor and prevent engorgement. The high-producing breast might become engorged or leak frequently. Pump or hand express a small amount of milk from the fuller side to relieve pressure, but avoid excessive pumping to prevent overproduction. Number 9. Rule out underlying issues. Blocked ducts or mastitis. Check for lumps, redness, or discomfort in the low-producing breast, as these can affect milk flow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful in managing uneven milk supply while breastfeeding. If you have any questions or your own experiences to share, feel free to drop them in the comments below.